Hi, I am actually so excited to tell you about this piano book. I received it as a gift so that I could go through it and kind of talk about it and show you why I like it. I'm especially excited because I have a young adult son who used to play piano as a child and then gave it up, and he wants to get back into it. So this is a really good book because it's for beginners and for advanced players. So let me just show you. It's basically scales and arpeggios. So it starts out in the first few pages just really kind of basic. And then, depending on your level of play, you could skip, to where you feel like you know what you're doing. And then if we go towards the back, we've got some more complicated scales here. He's got this entire series, and some of these are for adult beginners. Some of them are for kids. The maker of this is Steeplechase, but the gentleman who put this series together is Damon Ferrante. And the whole thing about it is just so cool. And I am going to show you my son playing scales out of this book. I think your piano needs to be tuned. All right, he's going to do some major arpeggios, a little bit more difficult than the last one that he did. Okay, so now he's going to do advanced beginner piano level 2. Go ahead. So you think this book is going to help you get back into the swing of things?
Yep.
All right, that's awesome. Good job.